Ki khubor antat kila hairstat ba nongelam barat ba ka Kongres Dr Mukul sangma baderu menteri rang ba barem gajala ba unmino anak parti ba laj piniso ba Trinamool Kongres. Habakran hakidong thok khubor Dr Mukul leithu bun lej kendu kinongelam joko All India Congress Committee hakas gi ublai laitrek urisau arjar fuai sa hisenpat bani kran ni gimat cingpenuet ki badan haka parti haka jala. Loong ba udang kwa bani kran penmet gi cingwit cingwa hapok isau konro joko parti. Leithu ba Pradesh Election Committee kan syok perkhat na benda kamat benrai kertong na benda election cina mikmat steng semoy hak artrek rusau hak ba unlek bani sim bentalang.
I'll be traveling on Sunday, so Sunday is the likely day when I should travel. We will try to resolve it. I have always maintained that I should not be a victim of pessimism. Okay, but challenges are there always. Resolving issues require certain amount of patience. I hope all those factors which require to ultimately arriving at finding a resolution or solution becomes possible. Then it will end within the four walls of the party. And even after a good solution is there also, you will be in a position to know and share the good news. But there are grievances within the party. In fact, some of them are already a victim of those grievances. You have seen one of our senior member leaving the party and becoming a candidate of NPP. So these are indications. These are just the tip of iceberg. Therefore, we want to resolve them at the appropriate time, meaning well ahead of the election. We can't allow these kind of internal problems which are there, which we would like to resolve within the four walls. That's why I'm not sharing with you. If you would be asking what are those problems, you will not get anything from me. So this is how we are moving. Okay. See, I honestly don't know. Honestly, I don't know who are the applicants. Yet to know. The only privilege that I will have is when I attend PEC, I will have the privilege of knowing who are the prospective candidates, the applicants. Until then, I'm blank. So I will know tomorrow only who are the candidates, who are the aspiring candidates, who are the candidates who are being tabled for consideration by the PEC.
But sir,
See, PEC will scrutinize. Subsequent finalization is only after the approval of the Honorable Congress President.